yet to abawi ya aban yi bae aban yi ba wo hye wo mo so obey increase a teacher training allowance wo hye wo mo so oba teacher training obey ni ye enti na professor James wo MPP fo anyi ni ye na implementation wo mo na e ba be ni ye afa wo mo ba ya ayi General
Okatakyie Afrifa member for the records about clash with Haruna Idris Education Minister and His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama concerning Bosha Omusheye Efa Education. Nansomba Bemuno Oba Ghana for Flagadam Oma Magi 360 campo for America just said there Massa Montimilian Cadasum Moshebo Obia Manu Muana Mokai Itiani I was say Musi Bono Pepe I was say Mudiso Afrifa Abba class with Haruna Idris our Education Minister and the President of the land na ensem there be redana obroso I Penyah Brock Media mess was any day Oba like video no other my one subscribe button so like click notification icon for latest updates now better watch when dem me our comment section so baswa no achieve no for so any be ashe e do her election court 2024 na end this omo policies no omo campaign message na emoham what I say na emoham especially when it comes to education omo share papa me receipt me try report egu. I remember omo ka say so mba ba mu a every Friday biano there will be free ice cream to tertiary students on every Friday. There will be free ice cream. Na anya no nkwa no bo sha o share bo say free SHS in the obema no agina what I say obema no agina onka no anya hwe no nkwa do sa de private schools ebeba abeka ho na waye ama na ye fe ana mi say free from nkwa no omu ento books ana omu ensento uniform omu ento. But anyway, here they who say from Ghana Education Service, omu akachi, omu statement about what omu three say awo for no mama actually be seen na omu ebeba no. Mo fanche with three say books mo na mo beto. After so uniforms mo ankasa ana beto. Munye ska ready. Books government ends of plan books again. Ana after so no uniform na aban ends of plan we twem. Aban ends supply again. What I say? Ana obeka so 2024. Mahama ehye bo say free SHS no sika na omudima ba fast stop for go for aduane no omusika no ebi fa baby ente no ba or the scanning say giving those monies to buffer stock no or the bema headmaster na headmaster akodwom akoto aponchi obeto owio obeto osono obeto atoko eguro zomi ni obeto bi e dia bus school na omuda be ye aduane ama enkura de di. And when go to tertiary so or share teachers for what teacher training for or she will come as well alawa metua dodo metua yo alawa no metua no yopo me make sure say mehwe mo masitire mu mehwe mo amomani age mo ho ebeto mo afi o ma ba mnese appointed Haruna Idris as Education Minister abusia Haruna Emekasa was wo David masa David asema Mahama kan say they discover headmasters for na kodum akuri dwa de na just a campaign message it was just a campaign message. And now face you know. Share yes, a better teacher training for you na busia. First, not only did 2 getting to 3 times a day, but now they see that second Ghana ain't in mumia money. You be feed him 1 time a day, 1 whole meal a day. You feed him just once a day. They can Mama van Kwamo. Now on this issue, no, and everybody will say, I didn't quite end this motor. Brought their robbery baby. Brought their robbery, kill net government per baby.
Daddy, for teacher training schools in the baby. You were Wesley, why idea. So you were a Commander College of Education, St. Vincent College of Education, Kambaga College of Education, SDA College of Education, Agona Shanti Mikrum ne wo. Agona SDA, Mikrum ne wo, Mikruma Santiagona, and the war SDA, St. Ambrose, and Nusrat, and the Keka College of Education here. All put together, I have 46. You know, now Mobakaya, John Mahama Ebeko 2016, and would try teacher training allowances. If it's a first, no, you see encouraging people to come for a year teacher training, and the idea to me also buy even more allowance. Be the best show home sume. It is your Mahama Eko cancel ye. Now on one account was in Nipa every fear the end, and it's true. The people nearly and easily forget. If you walk on or cancel you, and I could father share boss or bar where you're in here. Why you could no could you trouble on your mamma, and you're possible so about bury state. ampanyampa wo ba no mo reinstate ye ema eyeme na meka dani fatu so professor Jena no poku wo jitu mu say teacher training allowance ne MPP sad buy so MPP successfully restored teacher training allowance but the implementation was poor where professor Jena no poku ajimai aneka now 46 teacher training allowance no dia yede ma omo ye 400 Ghana cedi per person every month bia dani tienie General Training per person biano, ye more 400 Ghana cedi. Now 400 Ghana cedi no. Ye timu 200. At the ma a year teacher a colleges one say. Mom first 200 now and share month for no within a month. So technically no. Oshamwa every day biano. Any papa we spend about 8 cedi on that person to feed them morning, afternoon, and evening. Morning, afternoon, and evening. Now, it drew COVID time, it was actually 2023. Anna, a year Prinkoff, or more be friend Prinkoff, which is a year principals of a year College of Fodiaba and Deba Education Conference, or Mune, a year Minister of Education, under the leadership of a year, you was a year Duchu, or Mushia, a year cancer, Sabrina, because of our Muchirani and dear Baba in Sono. Instead, I buying back to Sanium and Tenio General, and they may know Casano. Or more bet say a year 200 Ghana na ye de ma teacher trainees no so mo fan to mo no on bet 50 Ghana free so e de abeka de ye de ma college no ho no e de hwe mo aduane no exactly now it becomes 250 Ghana for ye de hwe mo and 150 for mo allowance on personal upkeep now general ye to abawie ye aban yi ba wo hye mo bo so obe increase a ye teacher trainee allowance what's your mobile? So bad teacher training obey ni. 18 Professor James one people for any ye. The implementation one never be any. I feel one more buy ya. Hey, General. Teacher training allowance. I'm a teacher for conference for now in a catcher Minister of Education. And I need for where to show. Or catcher Minister of Education said. And yes, I be more increase 400 Ghana because a nearby boy a thing. Yet to mean top. It's 250 no. And to mean top and Yama and feed you. Danny and your winner maker. For a year reportage, Ghana will report to near no. Fato Sonianko. Now 46, you know, okay. Okay, where is it out of the 46? You know, can follow. Tiahan and Yansa. Now 46, almost here, Minister of Education. Say onion one tomb. Minister of Education is buying this car. Tienio, Koso, Adia Koso. You know, Minister of Education say buying this car. So there is some current brewing. Teacher training colleges in him. Now out of the 46, and there's almost a buying this car. Teachers and then a year head of colleges in also say almost soon yes, you can't find Rengole. It nay, I'm a say. Teacher training for instead of say feed you almost 3 times a day. You're more 1 meal per. I under your mama. You're more 1 meal per Yamaka. As my maker will be a way journalist for your Trump Casa Momramid Matemnia. Monkona Monko teacher trainees near more 1 meal a day. And they could father near feed you almost 3 times a day. Yes, your mama baba research, obey research, your mama 1 meal a day under your mama. Teachers for they come. Can you teachers and they come 1 meal a day? Now, General, will you 1 meal a day if you are? Where your mama a campaign, and what promise you will say. Teacher licensure exam. Then if a reportage in a tour, we will cancel teacher licensure exams. Teacher licensure exams, national service will be cancelled when we come 2025. NDC backs Mahama. Now for Mahama, Nangasa the answer kind of true. I catch him say kill net tabine. Your mama said licensure exams needless. I will cancel it if I become president. Where John Mahama Nekam. Also a Baba president or back cancel no. Exactly.
Obeka so Adebakwa ABC government didn't really teachers for the part teacher training for the part argument. Licensure exams. Meaning the entire teachers for SRO licensure exams. Teacher ni awako school awotwa kama. Ukra nice GPA. Wotwa kama. Let's say ye so ahwe kakra bi as entrance exams will be at top forms eco school awotwa entrance exams and so it me akọ wa pass kama obo change but awotwa entrance exams. Sebi, who can nice GPA? Yes, said you better to have review with a licensure exams, answering my license, for issue. Omu Janominem. Emma NDC capitalized on that Eddie campaign. Emma dear for 2 3 months. Young got 300 years or so they be on Yabutre. Now, I know the woman that she was the own bedroom, but you see, I did. She said you hear food to answer, you hear advice. Oh, it means I can copy a good job. Oh, hear food to answer. Oh, hear counsel. Oh, hear food to. I don't know if I say, and food to baby. When I'm watching about Bubecum, 18 no. Bubecum no, a day by day, I'm more planning a food to better Munya and to move the Bubecum. Koneko Chum, who hear food to be a Koneko Chum.
A minister. I don't know, Dusu. You go to your Dusu.
Yes, it's true. The NDC campaigned on a manifesto promise we will end licensure exams. We did. And we'll keep faith with the electorate. But I need professional advice on this matter. That is why I'm putting this.
Okay, so hold on. Danny, hold on. Ebi our more year campaign. Omo promises yes, Agusia. Omo promises so mobile on betwem. Now what about twemu a? Tie hwe body language o. I need professional advice before we can cancel. So at the time they made the promise, Edia Nana inform me womo. Edia professional advice no mo have here at the time I know mo make this campaign promise. Abanya wo no say, Oba obe cheti licensure exams and guy your friend say national service. Afe ora haru na dusu ba ya. Ono say okay, they promised it there. They will hear professional advice. So, respectfully say, at the time that you people were making that promise, what had gone into that promise, what decision, what professional advice had you received when you were in opposition? So it was a campaign slogan. Now, Obini will cast them now on ya. I hear the body language. Don't listen to the words. When it comes to communication, words form just 25% of it. 75% of it is the body language and the mannerism of the person. So Obeya now on you watch him carefully. So now see, I need a professional advice. What can the alternative be? Now, general, what will happen is that professionals in the buy almost see a tremor a beha. It's yenti how to do.
Yes, it's true. The NDC campaigned on a manifesto promise we will end licensure exams. We did. And we'll keep faith with the electorate. But I need professional advice on this matter. That is why I'm putting this committee together to advise most appropriately how to walk through the transition. A transition from a licensure exam regime to a no licensure exams. What would be the appropriate alternative? In our manifesto again, it was our pledge to incorporate it into the curricula of teacher training institutions, academic, that it becomes part of their curricula. Does that resolve the matter in a manner which defines you as professionals? I want the committee to advise me again on this matter. But with further advice, I want to say that one last opportunity of a receipt of the licensure exams for those who couldn't make it the last time must also be part of your recommendations. What do we do? Do we offer them an opportunity of a receipt?
Okay, you know, Kionet Abino. And Sansa Dalia Bino. For to be board a bino. Or more count one tenor. No, my another.
Exactly.
But you see, and yet news. Because former President John Domani Mama or throw book would be my first coup d'etat. emu okani pain say one of the major problems ever since I won you indecisiveness. I never America. My first school job. President John Dramani Mahama can send me, and I quote him. Or say the hanepa bako a free name call abrim indecisiveness. Exactly. Or say all the decisions I've made in my life were regularly plagued with doubt. It can be challenging to sustain that feeling of hope or the belief that things will turn out for the best. Again and again, I have felt like that boy Dramani on the bicycle going downhill fast without any brakes and not knowing which way to turn. So again and again, John Dramani Mahama takes decisions without knowing which way to turn. And that is the character we've given our country to. And this is one of the deepest secrets. If it's a Nipa who he says he is, believe him that is actually what he is. So if John Dramani Mahama continuously says that one of the major problems, all the decisions I've made in my life were regularly plagued with a doubt. It can be challenging to sustain that feeling of hope or believe that things will turn out for the best. Again and again, I have felt like that boy Dramani on the bicycle going downhill fast without any brakes and not knowing which way to turn. That is how he feels. And to be a leader of a country, to be a leader of a nation, you must be clear in your mind what you want. But here, serious. Somebody who has confessed, they say one of the major problems in this world is self-doubt. Self-doubt. To buy your point to go goila. At the channel, you know, also call me refuse. Because somebody have GMPs because some never be GMPs over Brahabra. We are, I was will cry because some are sacking 100. A bank of Ghana. Sans from Brabak. Okay. On your show. On your show. Or the Asha president bicycle so down the hill. But sources from the corridors of power. Yes.
So when is someone local show host Afrifa massive clasher about clash with Mahama and the Education Minister Prez on Omu promise ya as a person Omu making U-turn on their promise of saying first on Tiasede on Chimo Kianeki, any Omusanya Sapadia Ghana, or no be all married. Judge your mamma, comment section. I Penyah.